Hey guys, reporting live from Tatro Machines. Got a public service announcement. We got a man down. For you customers.
Cussing at who?
For you customers that had Tatro working on all your engines while we're trying to move here.
Now we're fucking stuck.
Okay, watch the language. Calls the man to pull something in his back and have a back spasm. So as you can see,
You're getting abused.
we do more than just repair motorcycles. We repair humans.
Shit. I don't know about that.
You guys don't sweat the Kevlar stains on the pants. It's just oil.
That's caviar space.
The Kevlar stain is just oil. But we're here with a man down.
He can't fucking move. Well, he can't move yours. Well, this is the deal. I'm gonna fix his back. He's gonna fix my bike.
Oh, there's fix your bike.
You look at some old videos. I got the orange bike.
Yeah. You had to lift the motor up, put in the frame twice.
Yeah, so, you know, guys, he charged by the hour. I charge by the minute. I'm just charging him $1 a minute, so that bill should be pretty much straightened out soon, y'all.
Yeah.
Quit whining, Tatro. Take the fucking pain. You're a man, right?
As you can see, the shop's it's fairly cleared out. We have a man down here. We have an issue here at Tatro Machines. We're trying to repair this geezer, ladies and gentlemen.
Shit, old fart.
We need him here.
Yeah, we still got to put my 124 together, so his back got to be straight, y'all.
Tatro, is there anything you would like to say to the viewers?
Yeah, this sucks. This cart smells like dog crap.
Scooby might have laid on it.
Yeah. I'm bleeding pretty soon on my back.
Be a fucking man.
This is some of the technicalities working on those heavy panhead, shovelhead, shithead, knucklehead motors here. This is why you want to work on twin cams. Not as heavy.
That's for sure. They're light.
All right, YouTubers, we'll be back later on with an update on what's going on with Mr. Tatro. We might have to carry him out here.
Yes,
He might leave on this cart here he's laying on. This is a
Oh, fuck. You done abusing my back.
this is a stretcher here.
I'm not sure, boy. I get up.
Oh, he's got pride, ladies and gentlemen. Look at him. He's here. He's all right.
You got abused.
We're gonna take care of him. All right, we'll be back.
Is it bleeding yet?
Oh shit!
With a baseball bat. Like you have me with a baseball bat.
You guys got it on camera here, just in case he says he was assaulted by two big black guys at the end of the night.
He was for like an hour.
We got it on camera here.
We got it done.
Yeah, it still hurts though.
All right, we'll be back. Bye.